senators who do not support divorce bill to pass, especially to kay Senator Joel Villanueva and others. And hindi rin ako sure kay Senator Ches Escudero, but we are pleading for you to understand, to have empathy towards us who has been kuan, suffering for a very long time because of this law na hindi mapasa-pasa. Ilang um, Congress na ang dumaan at wala pa rin. Hopefully you will understand us, and actually annulment, legal separation, all those bills, hindi talaga siya complete. So the divorce bill, ayun na, andun na lahat. At um, doon na a lot of grounds there na sana basahin nyo yung bill so that you will understand kung gaano ka lakas ang bill na to at makaka-help sa amin na um, that are victims of marital abuse. And also, this is not naman for perfect family to be broken, but to ano to redeem those that are broken already, those marriages that are already dead. We want to be legally free and to be able to para maging madali na rin yung buhay namin, especially mahirap po yung lagi naming dinadala yung apelyido ng ex namin. Hindi po yun. It's one of those na traumatic sa amin every day of our lives. Ngayon, dala-dala namin yan. And also, hopefully na i-ano nyo kami, respect also our belief. Kasi hindi naman kasi lahat Catholic. I know, Senator Villanueva, you're not Catholic, but you are also, your religion also, iba din. But on our religion, nagsusupport ng divorce. But not in a way nga lang na yung hindi lang nila pinapakita talaga na nagsusupport sila sa divorce, but they understand that this law is very important, especially those that are for dead marriages. But they really, really, gustong-gusto nila na as much as possible, um, gawin ang lahat para masave yung marriage. But there are marriages na hindi na talaga masisave. That's why we need the divorce law dito sa Philippines. So yan nga, tayo lang ang walang divorce. Yan ang isa na yung factor talaga na bakit kaya tayo na lang ang wala at lahat sila meron. So ibig sabihin, parang ang layo-layo ng utak natin sa sa ibang ibang bansa. So we need to really improve na ba. Hopefully that will also show na nagpo-progress na rin ang utak ng Pilipinas. So that's it.